Okay, this question is for about numbers. It's under the category of patterns. So the first one you need to understand is like some of you might be a bit confused as why is it that figure 1 is not shown. Now figure 1 actually looks like this. It's not really a figure, it's just a line with two dots. So this is actually figure 1. So usually when you have patterns, right, you like to look at the numbers first to see which one is the easiest to find the relationship. So maybe the first one to find, I will find that it's easy to find will be figure number and the number of dots. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at this. So I will start with I would want to start with figure number 2 because it's where you can see that the numbers are actually increasing and they actually started from figure 2. So let's see, I'm going to put 100 here because it'll be easy to show you. Once you have found the relationship between them, it'll be quite easy to find the number of dots for figure 100. Okay, so from figure 2 you have 6 and this is 12, you have 20, you have 30, you have 42. Okay, as 42 is actually given, it's written there, but let's find out how. Now sometimes when you have figure number and you need to find the relationship, usually you do 2 times 2, maybe to see whether it fits the number of dots, but in this case you see it doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is to use 2 times 3. Now 2 times 3 is actually the figure number 2 times the next figure number. So I'm going to use the figure number 3 to times the next figure number. Figure number 4 to times the next figure number. Figure number 5 to times the next figure number. Figure number 6 to times the next figure number. So what you are actually doing, you are actually trying to multiply the figure number times the next figure number. So in this case, it will be figure number 100 times the next figure number 100 times 101, you will get 10,100. So I've already figured out this answer, as well as part B, whereby they ask you to find the number of dots. So I'm going to write here the number of dots. It's over here. So I'm going to find the number of sticks. So what you need to know about the number of sticks is, let's write all of this down first. I would have figure number. Okay, I would have the number of sticks. I'm going to put a longer bar here and the number of dots. So again, I'm going to start from figure number 2. I'm going to start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 100. 3, 4, 5, 6, 100. So I'm going to draw it like this. Okay, number of dots you have already understood. This one will be 6, 12, 20, 30, 42. We have already found out 42, and figure 100 will be this. So the number of sticks I would have, figure number 2 will be 6. Alright, this one will be 15, 28, 45. Okay, we don't know 66. 66 is written by one of your friends who actually have the answer, but let's try to see how we get 66. Okay, when I want to make a relationship between the information that I know, right, I'll try to make use of the ones that I'm very clear already. I do know all this. I know how I got it. So let's try to see how I do it. 6 plus 0 gives me 6. Alright, if I have 12, I get 12 from here. I have 12 plus 3 gives me 15. I would have 20 plus 8. It gives me 28. I would have 30 plus 15 gives me 45. I would have then some of you might be thinking that, how do I get the numbers 0, 3, 8, and 15 then? Okay, let's see how I do it. Now, if I have 6 plus the figure number minus 2, so I'm going to write so I will get 6 plus the figure number minus 2. So let's see, I will get 12 plus the figure number minus 2. So technically is 3 times. So this will be 3. Maybe I just erase first. Hold on. So let's try this. This will be, I cannot write it again. Okay, 6 plus figure number okay, minus 2. Let's try to see the next one. Will I be able to get it? It will be 12 plus figure number minus 2. But in this case, my answer will be 13. Then I know that this pattern is wrong. So let's just refine it. So this is actually called trying it out to see how I can actually get the answer. Let's go to the continuous. 6 plus figure number times, maybe I put a bracket, times figure number minus 2. 6 plus figure number is 2 times figure number is 2 again, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so this is 6. So let's try for the next one. So I'm going to point this side. The next one, I'm going to point it out here. The next one will be 12 plus figure number. This is figure number 3. Alright, so I put a bracket first, times figure number minus 2. So I will get 12 plus 3 times 1. I'll get 15. So it seems that this one is right. But some of you might be asking how I get 6 and 12. Remember earlier on for part A, we already did it already. So now I'm going to go to this. I will get 28 plus my figure number, which is 4, times 4 minus 2. So this will be 28 plus 4 times 2. Oh, sorry, over here is 20. It's not 28, it's 20. Because I get 20 from the number of dots. So I will get 28. So it's also correct. So I'm going to go to my next one. So my number of dots is 30. 30 plus figure number. Figure number is 5 times 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be 3. So I will get 45. So it seems that I can actually do this. So what is actually the formula? It will be the number of dots plus figure number times figure number minus 2. So let's try for the next one. I have 42. Number of dots is 42. Okay, plus my figure number is 6. Figure number minus 2 will be 4. Figure number minus 2 will be 4. So this will be times. So I would have 42 plus 24. It will give me 66, and then I'll get the answer here. But how do I get the 100? So I would have the number of dots plus the figure number times figure number minus 2, 98. So I will get, so I take out my calculator and then I calculate 100 times 98 plus 10,100. I will get 19,900. So for part B, find the number of sticks and dots which make up figure 100 above. Okay, I'm unable to see like at the bottom of the page, does the question wants separated or together. If they want number of sticks and number of dots like this, alright, then the answer will be like this. Will be 19,900. Number of dots, it will be equals to 10,100. But if the question if the answer blank at the corner, there's only one answer space, then you will need to add both together. So the person who actually sent this to me, next time when you probably will want to send me the whole page so that I can take a look at it, so that we can get a clearer picture of what the question wants. Alright, so hope this helps.